Okay, so this is the Jeep. There's the VIN number on the door. Current miles right there. Gonna ask Troy to get in and crank it for me. Got the compression tester on a good cylinder. You'll notice the valve train in the background there. Yeah, go ahead. Gonna go about 3 revolutions right there, about 130. Now let's switch it to cylinder 5. And you can see the valves there, or the rocker arms are on, camshaft looks good. Okay. So now, one more time, Troy. There you go, 3 revolutions, little over 60. Did a leak down test, it's coming out past the valves. You can hear it in the exhaust, and you can hear it in the intake. Right there. See if I can get you the VIN number on the windshield if the door wasn't enough for you. Right there you go.